Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This video is second part of our series polynomials. So today we are going to discuss zeros of the polynomial. So first of all, let us understand what is a zero of polynomial. Let us consider if a polynomial is given fx is equal to something 2x square plus 3x minus 5. This is our polynomial. So zeros of the polynomials क्या होंगे? If value of x for which f of x is equal to 0, that value of x will be zeros of the polynomial. Okay, तो जीरोस ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल. सो जीरोस फाइंड करने की जो एक मेथड है दैट इज़ वी विल पुट वैल्यूज़ ऑफ एक्स बाय हिट एंड ट्रायल मेथड, एंड बाय पुटिंग वैल्यूज़ ऑफ एक्स वी विल कैलकुलेट एफ ऑफ एक्स, एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स फॉर विच एफ ऑफ एक्स बिकम्स जीरो is called zeros of the polynomial. Okay, so let us understand all these things with some examples. So हम start करते हैं questions. So here's our first question. If f of x is equal to एक polynomial given है हमें, then we have to find f of -3 and f of 0. It means x की प्लेस में हम -3 रख के f of x की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करेंगे, एंड देन 0 x इज इक्वल टू 0 पुट करके, एंड देन वी विल कैलकुलेट f of x. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट हम x की वैल्यू -3 पुट करेंगे. f of x हमें गिवन है 2x³ माइनस 13x स्क्वायर प्लस 17x प्लस 12. वी विल पुट x इज इक्वल टू -3, f of x की प्लेस में -3 is equal to 2 into -3 whole cube minus 13 into -3 whole square plus 17 into -3 and plus 12. Next 2 into 3 का cube is 27 and cube है, so it will be -27 because minus sign will get multiplied 3 times, so it will become negative again. Sorry, it is not equal to, it is minus 13 into -3 का square plus 9 plus 17 into -3, it is -51 plus 12. -27 into 2, on multiplying we will get -54. minus 13 into 9 is 117 with negative sign, and plus minus minus 51 plus 12. Now you will add all these negative numbers, so you will get, it will be minus 2 and 2 minus 222 and plus 12. Now on subtraction you will get -210. So f of -3 की वैल्यू है -210. Okay, now let us see second part. Now we will put x is equal to 0 in the given equation, so it will be 2 into 0 minus 13 into 0 plus 17 into 0 and plus 12. So all these values will be 0. We will get only 12 is equal to 12. f of 0 is 12. Here notice one thing, when we put x is equal to 0, we are getting f of 0 is equal to 12. It means 0 is not a zero of given polynomial. Okay, किसी भी polynomial का 0, when f of x is equal to 0, then that value of x will be 0 of the given polynomial. All right, let us see next question. In this question, we have to verify whether the indicated numbers are zeros of the given polynomial. So, in the first part, a polynomial is given and two values of x are given. So what we have to do, हम x की ये values put करके check करेंगे whether f of x is 0 or not. If f of x is equal to 0, then given value of x is a zero of polynomial, otherwise it is not a zero. So let us do, first of all हम लेते हैं if x is equal to 1. So f of x is x square minus 1. x की प्लेस में विल पुट 1 का स्क्वायर माइनस 1, दैट इज वी नो 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Since f of 1 is equal to 0, therefore 1 is 0 of the given polynomial. 0 of the given polynomial. ओके, तो 1 को हमने चेक किया है. नाउ वी विल पुट x इज इक्वल टू -1. सो नेक्स्ट वी विल टेक x इज इक्वल टू -1 एंड f ऑफ x was given x square -1. So put x is equal to -1, we will get f of -1 is equal to -1 का whole square and -1. So when we will square -1, so it will become +1 and -1, that is equal to 0. It means f of -1 is also equal to 0. Therefore -1 is a 0 of f of x. Okay. So जब हमने चेक किया, so we have find that x is equal to 1 and x is equal to -1 are zeros of the given polynomial f of x. Okay, so zero check करने के लिए we will put value of x and calculate f of x, and according to result we will identify. Now next one, here also same question, g of x एक polynomial given है and we have to identify whether these given values are zeros of the polynomial or not. So first we will put if x is equal to 2 by root 3, g of x given है हमें 3x square minus 2, put 2 by root 3 is equal to 3 into 2 by root 3 whole square minus 2. It will become 3 into, on squaring 2 का square 4 and root 3 का square 3 minus 2. This 3 and 3 will be cancelled out and we will get 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. It means g of 2 by root 3 is equal to 2. Since it is not equal to 0, hence 2 by root 3 is not a 0 of the polynomial. Okay, now we will put -2 by root 3. So if x is equal to -2 by root 3, we will put in place of x in gx, 3x square minus 2. We will put here -2 by root 3. 3 into -2 by root 3 का whole square minus 2 is equal to 3 into -2 का square is +4 and root 3 का square 3 minus 2. 3 and 3 will be cancelled out. Again we will get 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. Since g of -2 by root 3 is equal to 2, therefore -2 by root 3 is not a 0 of given polynomial g of x. Okay, also 2 by root 3 is not a 0 of the given polynomial gx. Okay, now let us see next one. This is our next part. So we will do same thing. If x is equal to 4 by 5, Therefore f of x is equal to 5x minus pi. We will put value of x, that is 4 by 5 minus pi. 5 and 5 will get cancelled out and we will get 4 minus pi. So here f of 4 by 5 is equal to 4 minus pi. Therefore 4 by 5 is not a zero of given polynomial. Zero of f of x. Okay, now we will put next value, x is equal to pi by 5 in same given equation. We will put value of x, f of pi by 5. Pi by 5 is equal to 5 into pi by 5 minus pi. 5 and 5 will get cancelled out and we will get pi minus pi. These will also be cancelled out and we will get 0. So f of pi by 5 is equal to 0. Therefore pi by 5 is a zero of given polynomial f of x. Okay, so in this way you can find out whether the given values are zeros or not. Okay, now let us see next question. Now this is our next question, find zero of the polynomial. So previous question में हमने देखा we are given with some values of x and we have to only check whether the given values are zeros of the polynomial or not. But here we have to find the zero of the polynomial. So zero find करने के लिए p of x is equal to 3x minus 2 है. We know value of x for which p of x is equal to 0 is zero of the polynomial. So what will we do? We will equate the given polynomial is equal to 0. Now we will find value of x. So 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to 2 if we shift minus 2 to the right hand side, and next x is equal to 2 by 3. तो जो वैल्यू हमें मिली है x की 2 by 3, that is the zero of the given polynomial. Okay, it is also called roots of the polynomial. Roots of the polynomial. When we equate any polynomial is equal to 0 and will find value of x, it is also called roots of the polynomial. So basically zeros and roots में difference नहीं है, both are same. Okay, now let us see next part. So same question, next part, if f of x is equal to ax, find zero of the polynomial. We are given f of x is equal to ax. To find its zero, we will equate it to 0. Ax is equal to 0, so when we will divide a in right hand side, we will get 0 by a. That means x is equal to 0 only. So here in this polynomial, 0 is a zero of the given polynomial f of x. Okay, so ये थे कुछ questions. हम zeros check कैसे कर सकते हैं और how can we find zeros. Now we will see some more questions in next part of the series. तब तक आप लोग प्रैक्टिस करिए एंड इफ़ यू आर हैविंग एनी डाउट प्लीज़ आस्क इन कमेंट सेक्शन. और वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक करिएगा, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर ज़रूर करिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए सो दैट जब भी कोई सीरीज़ नई सीरीज़ आती है या किसी का पार्ट आता है सो आपको नोटिफिकेशंस मिलने लग जाएं. ओके, सो थैंक यू, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.